Well, Perry, this is a beautiful flowering plant, and I know it's not a lily, but yet it's got the name of a lily.
Yeah, this calla lily is actually a really popular flower. We see them a lot in bouquets, whether it be wedding bouquets or different flower arrangements, and a lot of people really love the look of them. A very elegant plant. They grow really well in our locations. They are an annual, so they're not going to survive our winter, but you can do very well in your yard by planting this in even a more moister location. They can handle a wetter spot. They do very well in full sun or even partial shade. And again, you can cut them. They'll spread a little bit, cut them, use them in your flower arrangements or whatever.
What if you wanted to bring a pot like this inside? How well would it do indoors?
Yeah, you can actually grow these quite well indoors as well. That's one way to stretch it out in terms of the season and grow them a little bit in colder temperatures, if you will, but they're very nice inside the house as well.
All right, and they're very nice right here at Classic Landscaping, where you can take a look at them. Join us next time.